Major Sudhir Kumar Walia was a distinguished officer of the Indian Army, serving in the Allied 9 Para Special Forces. Born on 24th May 1969 in Banuri, Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, he was the son of an army veteran, Subedar Major Rulia Ram Walia and Rajeshwari Devi. During his early life, Sudhir attended the Sainik School at Suzanpur, Tihra, and later gained admission into the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla. He graduated from the Indian Military Academy and was commissioned as a second lieutenant in 4th Battalion, the Jat Regiment on June 11, 1988. As far as his military career is concerned, Major Walia was a member of the Indian peacekeeping force sent to Sri Lanka on peace mission. After returning, he opted for the 9th Battalion Para SF, specializing in mountain operations. He served two 6-month terms at Siachen Glaciers and was promoted to lieutenant on June 11, 1990. By June 11, 1993, he had risen to the rank of captain and was awarded the Sena Medal twice for his gallantry in combating militancy in J&K. In 1997, he attended the specialized course in United States, where he excelled and even spoke at Pentagon. His competence earned him the respectful title of colonel during that course. During the Kargil War, Major Walia obtained special permission to join the battlefield. Within 10 days of leaving Delhi, he led his team to capture Zulu Top at 5,200 meters in the Moscow Valley sector. His familiarity with mountainous terrain meant he did not require acclimatization, famously stating, "Sir, you know that I am a Pahari from the mountains. I didn't need acclimatization." After the war, his team was tasked with counter-insurgency operations in Jammu and Kashmir, and on August 29, 1999, Major Walia led an assault on a militant hideout in the Hafruda jungles of Kupwara district. He eliminated 9 of the 20 militants present, but sustained several gunshots and wounds were bloody. Despite his injuries, he continued to command his team until they succeeded. He was evacuated only 35 minutes after the operation ended and was airlifted to the Army Base Hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries en route. For his extraordinary bravery and sacrifice, Major Sudhir Kumar Walia was posthumously awarded the Ashok Chakra, India's highest peacetime military decorations, by then President K.R. Narayanan in January 2000. Major Walia's story is one of the courage, dedication and ultimate sacrifice, embodying the spirit of Indian Army and its commitment to the nation's security. I, K.R. Goswami, salute him and I love from the bottom of my heart. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.